let's take a look at the get records component. So let's drag that on. I'll just say get contact. I always like to use the get. So get contact, get it, account, get whatever. And then we put in our object, contact, and then we have our filter options. So we have our and or conditional. We can filter so we can grab the records that we want or the single record we want, depending on what we're looking for. So then we put in our field here. Let's say it's ID and then the contact ID or something like that here. Or we could put in, let's say, account ID, the value for the account, and then we get multiple records. So let's go down. We can sort. So we can sort ascending or descending. And we sort ascending, and then we sort by our field. So let's say it's like last name or something like that. We can set the assorting. Then we have the option of how many records we want to store. So we want to store one record. So that's usually when we're doing the looking for a single. So we'd use the ID for the contact ID, or if we want to use multiple records, and that's when we use something like account ID as our filter. And then we have the option of storing the data, so we can automatically store all the fields, which is usually a good option to use. We can choose which items we want, here last name, and so on. So we can pick the items that we want to put into our collection, or we can choose and assign the values. So I can have this record collection, the contact collection, and then add the fields that I want to add in, and it'll assign it to this particular collection. So then I'm using that collection. So basically the middle one, Salesforce takes care of that, and the last one we have to create our own. Thanks for watching this video. If you made it all the way to the end, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, leave a comment down below. You can follow me on Twitter. You can send me an email if you have any questions. Until next time, this is Helpful Salesforce Admin signing off.